All right, thank you everyone for joining. I am here to show you one of the many features within the software that is provided by OverPower Marketing. One of them being the marketing tab and the social planner. With this feature, you are able to mass produce social media posts for different social media platforms all in one program. And this is very simple, easy to do. All you need to do is just connect your social media accounts, all that you prefer to add to this program. I'll add them all together, and since we don't have anything at the moment, let's move on to our current client that is already in our system. All right, here we have the homepage for the social planner. As you can see, we have two connected social media platforms to this account. We have a total of 749 posts made and 2 posts made today. This just gives all the analytics for social media that have already been made so far. Here we can see the account stats, the recent posts, and all these different tabs for different filters that you want to see. Uh, if you so wish, you can assign someone in our program to have approval over certain social media posts. But let's move on to the planner. Here you can see all the social media posts that you have made and ones that are to be denied or yet to be posted. So here it is currently February 20th by the time of making this video. We have 2 posts, one for Facebook and one for Google My Business. And we have future posts ready to be made beforehand. And with this program, we can actually schedule posts in advance. But before we get on to that, we can also change the date that we want these posts to be made. So for example, this February 21st post can be moved over to February 29th at 9 a.m., same time as before. But let's just move it back. Very simple, very easy. Now, if we want to create a new post, we can go to create new post in the top right, choose the social media accounts that we want to do, and here we can choose to do a mass bulk action of posting multiple posts on multiple different web platforms. And with this, we can type a description, say, hello there, and it will show up for both platforms. And then we can add an image as well. One of the cool things about this software is that we actually use AI for some of the content used by it. So here we can make an image completely created by AI. And let's just give it a command prompt and see what it can make for us. So this, let's say a field of flowers, and choose the image style you want. Let's do a photo and generate. And here we have a beautiful image completely made by AI of a field of flowers, just as I put in. And we can add this as the image, and if we so wish, we can post it or schedule it. And that is basically how the social planner for the software provided by OverPower Marketing works. If yes, Mustafa?
Yeah, can you explain what the thing that is mentioned underneath the post tab, which is said customized for each channel, what that is? What's the
I'm
top
sorry.
left side?
top left.
Underneath where it says post, there's an option to enable which says customize for each channel. What does
Hmm.
that mean?
Here you can change the content for each social media platform. So you can have one platform contain the image and or change the description of the post, and you can have it say something completely different on the other. So here you can just have hello, and on Facebook you can have hello there.
Oh, all right. And it says that you can even follow up with a comment as well on Facebook.
Here you can make the very first comment for the social media post, so that as soon as the post is created and posted online, you can make your own comment appear first thing.
All right. And one final thing, the way that you showed the image AI, can you also show a couple of examples for the content AI, how to use that to create a post, the verbiage? For example, if I'm working for this said account and I want to post something about my services, so how would I be able to do that? Can you show that?
I I honestly never used it before, Mustafa.
Okay, on the right hand side, which says AI,
Uh
below that.
oh, right here.
Yeah. Just fill it out.
I'm sorry.
Just fill it out.
Oh, um,
An informational post
and,
to show off the services we offer,
and
and just explain the services in 2 to 3 lines. That we provide staffing to companies who require it,
I'm sorry.
that we provide staffing to companies who require it. And our major clients are in janitorial, construction, warehouse management, and so on and so forth.
I'm sorry. You keep cutting out with your audio. I can barely hear you.
Sorry, what I was saying is you can mention that our services include providing staffing to industries like janitorial, construction, warehouse management, and so on and so forth. You can add a keyword like the same one, janitorial, construction, warehouse, staffing,
All right.
janitorial, staffing. No, no, you don't have to put a comma. You can just press enter.
Oh,
Then you add another staffing. Yeah, two might be enough. Then you select a writing tone beneath that. Professional and number of durations is easy. Length of small should be around medium.
okay.
And generate. If you scroll down to, on the middle part, you'll be able to see different variations for the things you mentioned, and that is how you can use content AI for the writing of the post. You can use image AI for the actual design of the post.
Hmm.
And then you already explained how you can schedule the post forward and backwards and up and down and delete it. You can have it customized for each channel differently.
All right.
So is there anything to look forward in the within this software for future developments?
Yes, there is. If you will look at my screen, there is a lot of updates in progress, such as Canva integration to be added to the social planner, YouTube Shorts, and YouTube posting. You're going to be able to schedule and post reels to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok all at once, allowing the tagging of other profiles, social media posting through the phone, and social media analytics.
Oh, I think that sums it up.
All right, is there anything else you would like to add, Mustafa?
Now, Abigail, since you've worked a lot on social media planner, is there something that we have missed out? Abigail? All right, she might be away from
Yes, sir.
her. I'm sorry. Is there
Yes,
anything?
Mustafa.
Is there anything that we have missed out in this presentation regarding social planner?
Nothing, sir. It's all complete.
All right, perfect. So we will end this meeting based on that everything that the social media currently offers and what we can expect in the future developments. And we will then have another meeting next week. And if anyone has any follow-up questions, we'll be able to answer it on the next week meeting. All right?
All right, sir.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for being an amazing audience. Thank you for your time and for showing us about the social media planner. And see you next week. Bye.